Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by Kamohelo.
Yes, how are you, Stivo? I'm good.
Sharp.
Yeah, you know, when a team came for a draw, especially Siwelele, they came for a draw and their plan was very well executed.
Yes,
so it means they won. But
yes.
what does that mean for us, Kaizer Chiefs?
What does it mean, my sister?
So look at me, né? I've got Kaizer Chiefs badge here. So we need players who's going to respect the badge and who are going to respect the fans as well.
Yes.
So I feel like we need to go back to the drawing book. The coach need to study back the course and they need to execute their plan very well. Because at the end of the day, we will always support Kaizer Chiefs, but we can't always be disappointed all the time
by Kaizer
Chiefs. You see, so they need to pull out their socks and that's the positive vibes. We will come back stronger.
Kupa man of the match.
Man of the match, not Shabalala. I can say Villakas.
Yeah, I'm from the Villakas.
Yeah, okay, yes, Villakas. I think he did the part. Even Mtetwa, they did the part. So, yes.
I think I'll shop a trip check because I see you tripping.
Okay.
It's
Steve Madden.
Oh, Steve Madden.
Yes.
Thank you, sister.
Sure.
Thank you, sister. How you